The US presidential election. It's one of the most talked about events globally. But have you ever wondered how this election actually works? Today, let's simplify this complex process. In the US, people don't directly vote for the president. Instead, they vote for a group called the Electoral College. The Electoral College has 538 members, or electors. Each state gets a certain number of electoral votes, based on its population. For example, California has 55, while Wyoming only has 3. Before the main election, there are primaries and caucuses. These are like warm-up rounds where each party chooses its candidate. Primaries are simple voting events. People cast their votes, and the candidate with the most support wins. Caucuses are a bit different. People gather, discuss, and then vote. Once the primaries and caucuses are over, each party holds a national convention. Here, they officially announce their presidential and vice presidential candidates. The real battle begins in November during the general election. People across the country vote, but remember, they are voting for electors, not directly for the president. The electors then meet in December to cast their votes for president and vice president. To win, a candidate needs at least 270 out of 538 electoral votes. Most states use a winner-takes-all system, meaning if a candidate wins the majority in a state, they get all the electoral votes from that state. Some states, known as swing states, are crucial because they can vote either way. States like Florida and Pennsylvania often decide the outcome of the election. If no candidate reaches 270 votes, the House of Representatives selects the president, and the Senate picks the vice president. This situation is rare but has happened before. So, why does this matter to us? Because every vote counts, and the US election impacts global policies. Hope you enjoyed this simplified explanation. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos.